Hi gents, Miss Whiteman here, and this week your assembly comes to you from Monday because it's the third Monday in January and it's sometimes known as Blue Monday. And we as your housemasters care for you all and want to encourage you that on this day, which sometimes can seem like a dark day because Christmas is finished, it's January, it's still quite dark in the daytime, wintry blues, and last week we mentioned to you about your perspective, and so today we'd like to bring you some more of our good news stories. We've loved hearing your good news and we would love you to send in via the comments on this task that will come to you from your housemaster. Please send us any of the good news that you'd love to share with us. We absolutely love hearing it. So we just really want to encourage you all guys, if reach out to each other, keep chatting to each other, keep connected, and we're all here for you as well. So if you have anything that you want to discuss or that you want any help with, do get in touch with anybody at school. We're here for you and we hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.
Hi Campbellians, I'm going to report on another good news story, and one that is particularly close to my heart and close to my own family situation. I want to report on a story about Marco Patel in Year 9 Prices. Marco has always been around adults with learning disabilities through his parents' job, and this year Marco designed Christmas cards for the North Down and Ard Supported Living Service that support adults with learning disabilities in the local community. Marco also donated £20 of his birthday money to go towards making care parcels that he also helped in making. And the South Eastern Trust then printed his Christmas cards and they were sent out to all of the service users and their families. And so Marco, I'm sure that they were absolutely delighted to receive both the care parcels and the Christmas cards that you designed. And so from all of them, I would say on their behalf, thank you and good job. And Campbellians, keep the stories coming. We love to hear all about your good news, and it's just great to have some positivity at this particular time.
Just updating you here on some good news from my office. Fantastic news about a boy in Dobbins, a boy who I know well and a boy that I'm very proud of, Alex Taylor, Year 11. And during the first lockdown he was doing his Duke of Edinburgh Bronze Award and had to volunteer as part of the course. Obviously during lockdown it was pretty difficult to volunteer anywhere. The usual stuff like a charity shop or perhaps at a youth club or something like that just wasn't possible. So he got creative and began to write letters and cards to people in care homes. These were people who were isolated, people who were on their own, people who maybe felt a little distant from their loved ones. And Alex very wisely and thoughtfully went about this dutifully. And then one day got some fantastic news. Got a letter back from Hawthorne House just to say how grateful and appreciative they were of all the letters that he'd sent and all of the work that he'd put into them, and they were extremely grateful. So well done, Alex.
Hi gents, it's Miss Whiteman here, housemaster of Aldens, and this week we've been thinking about good news stories to share, and I really want to say how proud I am of our very own Mitch O'Reilly from Year 11 Aldens House. He has been awarded elite athlete status for his performances in ice hockey, and I'm very proud of him. He's been combining his studies as well as his elite training, and a really good example to us all. So I'm out now on my daily exercise, and I hope that you're fitting in some exercise for your physical and emotional well-being as well as your studies. Thinking about you all and hope to see you all soon, and very well done Mitchell, proud of you.